Rana bhai, tell us. We know आप industry के सबसे तगड़े यार हो, but आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? Are you like that one of those धूतास जो यहाँ आके इस फिल्म में सबसे ज़्यादा विश्वास करते हैं? So you've come here in that capacity. Like, what are you doing? Are you acting in this movie?
No, all the 12 people were already picked before the casting call happened. So no, I'm not in this movie.
Okay. So you're like co-producing this movie or something?
No man, it's really expensive film. So there is a man called Mr. Ashwini Dutt. He's producing the film. He is the most prolific man, so he's the producer of the film.
Got it. So in that case, are you like co-directing it or something? Kuch to?
So I'm actually something close, not co-directing it, but I went to school with the director from first grade. So hence that's my connection to the film.
Okay.
And I went to war school with the star of this film, Prabhas.
Yeah, absolutely.
We were fighting for 6 years. So that's the real relation that I have with this film.
Right.
And I think if someone in my street is making something that is the most amazing thing that can change what cinema did one more time, I think I have to be part of it. Welcome, sir. Very well, sir. Thank you. Wow. That is probably the most amazing look of yours that I've seen in a long time. And the look you entered with has nothing to do with this. Sir, tell us about Nagashman and tell us about Hulk.
Just as
मोबाइल नीचे कर मोबाइल
It's just that I didn't go to school with him.
आराम से भाई
But it's been a great honor to have worked in this product. And there are many things that I'd like to ask Nag and the rest of the cast.
ये मोबाइल मैडम बोलो नीचे करे
We'll get time for that a little later on. It's been a truly wonderful experience to have worked in a setup where they've actually gone beyond thinking what most of us have been doing all our lives in this film industry. And I really appreciate the fact that they're moving a little ahead of times and making us a part of that, making us work in conditions that we never ever thought we would be able to work in. So I want to congratulate Nag and the production for thinking something like this film, and a great honor for me to be a part of it.
Thank you, sir. Oh, sir, you are our encyclopedia. And with so much filmography, you still have newer looks and newer performances coming. How is that even possible?
It's possible because of good technicians and good directors. Otherwise, I think I'm enjoying it more now.
And what's your experience with Nagashman and with this wild crew?
I was curious to begin with. I was sort of surprised, and then I'm in awe now. That's the stages.
Hi. Well, welcome to Bombay again.
Thank you.
So, we came here like almost 7 years ago on that first flight. Tell me what's different from then and now.
Nothing. I'm saying it's just the same day. So yeah, first time when I came, like you really helped me. I was like, wow, please help. What should I do? What should I talk? And yeah, the media was very sweet. Then and now, thanks a lot.
You're still in character.
I mean, the movie went on for about 3 years, so I was like, why not? Just a few months more.
So Nagi's really pushed you into being a method actor now.
I mean, clearly.
So tell us a little quickly about Nagi and then we'll come back to this.
If Nagi opens his mouth and speaks, I'll be able to tell you a little bit about Nagi. But no, I think it's been an incredible experience. I think a great learning experience. I think, like Mr. Bachchan said, I think a completely new world. And I think we went through different phases of discovering what this movie was about. But I think the magic that is in Nagi's head is now here finally for everyone to see, and I think we as actors have discovered that along the way. So it's been an incredible experience at both a personal and a professional level.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। अगर आप Facebook पर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें।